In this quick guide, you'll learn how to link Google Drive files in Basecamp. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing personal projects, connecting these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place. Let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up. First, open your web browser and head over to basecamp.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before you proceed. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your Basecamp dashboard. Once you're on the Basecamp homepage, locate the project you want to work on. This could be a team project or a personal one. Click on the project to open it. This will take you to the project's main page, where you can see all the tools and resources associated with it. Now, look for the small plus icon. It's typically located in the upper right corner or near the section where you can add resources. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with various options for adding content to your project. From the menu, select the option for an external link. This is the key to linking your Google Drive files. By choosing the external link option, you're allowing Basecamp to include resources from outside its own platform. After selecting the external link, click on Google Drive from the list of available options. This will prompt Basecamp to connect with your Google account. If you're not logged into Google Drive, you may need to sign in at this point. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Basecamp and your Google Drive. Next, you'll need to enter the link to the Google Drive file you want to include. Open your Google Drive in another tab, find the file you're interested in, and copy its shareable link. Return to Basecamp and paste this link into the appropriate field. Alongside the link, you can add a description to give context or instructions about the file. This can be particularly useful if your team needs additional information about the document or its purpose. Once the link and description are added, you'll have the option to select who's allowed to see this external link. This step is crucial for maintaining privacy and ensuring only the right people have access. Basecamp will give you several options, such as all project members or specific individuals. Choose the setting that best fits your needs. After you've set the permissions, the final step is to click Save. This will add your Google Drive file link to the project, making it easily accessible to those with the appropriate permissions. Your team can now click the link to view or edit the document directly from Basecamp, streamlining your collaboration efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a Google Drive file into Basecamp, making it easier than ever to share and access important documents. By following these steps, you can keep your projects organized and ensure everyone has access to the resources they need. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.